Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the recent time we are hearing a lot about the Brexit deal. What is this Brexit deal? Is it successful now? Let's get into the complete story of the Brexit deal. If you are watching my videos for the first time or you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. Watch the video completely and share your feedback for more such interesting videos. There are 44 countries in the European continent. All the continents are adjacent to each other and are connected via roadways. Every country has their own rules with respect to the trades and immigration process. Trade rule. If any product is exported from one country to another country, then exporting product should follow the importing country quality standards and also need to pay the GST and custom taxes. This quality check and custom taxes will be checked at every border of the country. And coming to the immigration rules, if you have to travel from one country to another country, you should definitely have a passport and a visa. Because of such rules between the countries, few countries are facing a problem like wait time at the borders and immigration process and also for the quality checks. This also burdens the public with the import tariffs. This could be fine if the countries are far from each other. But if the same rule applies between two adjacent countries, which involves waste of money and time. In order to overcome this problem, one of the European politicians has come up with a solution and presented a proposal amongst all the European leaders. The proposal was, since that most of the European countries are land connected and all the products will almost have the same product quality, why don't we remove the border checks and let the people move freely without visa and passport? In 1957, this proposal was agreed by 6 European countries: France, Belgium, Netherlands, West Germany and Luxembourg. They have named the community as European Economic Community. Later, by the year 1993, 28 other countries joined this community. After most of the European countries joined this community, they have renamed the community name as European Union, or it is also called as EU. After joining this union, people from 28 countries can move around between countries without visa and passport. Also, the products can be moved from one country to another country without any taxes. Let's see what's the issue with the United Kingdom. In United Kingdom, there are 4 countries: England, Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales. In 1974, UK joined European Union. By 2014, people in UK started showing their dissatisfaction towards the issues faced due to the European Union rules. The issues such as, if United Kingdom want to make any trade with non-EU countries, then they have to take a permission from European Union Council, which the people did not like it. And the second one is, the people from other European Union countries started migrating into UK for jobs, due to which the local UK people were not finding much jobs. This is the reason why UK citizens wants UK to exit from European Union. Public started strikes and revolts against the government. UK is also called as Great Britain, and the people of UK want to exit from European Union. Hence this is called as Brexit. In 2015, general elections were planned in United Kingdom. There are 2 political parties, Conservative Party and Labour Party. Both the parties went into the elections with a single agenda of completing Brexit deal. Conservative Party won the elections and David Cameron became the Prime Minister. As agreed in the elections campaign, government of UK want to take a public opinion on Brexit deal. There was a referendum took place for the same. Public need to vote if they are with Brexit or against the Brexit. 72% of people participated in this referendum. 52% voted as yes and 48% voted as no for Brexit. As a result, majority of the populations of United Kingdom want to exit from the European Union. Soon after the results, UK Prime Minister David Cameron in 2016 gave his resignation as he was against the Brexit. Theresa May from the same party has become the Prime Minister of UK and started working on the Brexit deal. Theresa May approached the European Union with the Brexit proposal. Suddenly, if UK moves out of the European Union, then UK may face the economical losses. That's the reason she has added some conditions in the proposal. The conditions are: number 1, free trade deal should be as it is from the European Union countries. Number 2, if UK wants to trade with any other country other than EU countries, then EU Council should not interfere in the deals. Number 3, if anyone from European Union countries wants to travel to UK, then they should be having a passport and a visa mandatory. European Union Council has agreed for the proposal and gave a 2 years of time to close the deal. Now the Prime Minister role is to get the bill passed in the Parliament. Whenever she placed the bill in the Parliament, it got rejected from the majority of the ministers, as most of the ministers wants a complete exit from European Union without any conditions. This bill was rejected 3 times. Theresa May has finally gave up and in 2019 she resigned as a Prime Minister. Boris Johnson took a responsibility of Prime Minister in 2019 and started working on this deal. A couple of days back on 24 December 2020, Prime Minister Boris Johnson gave a Christmas gift to the UK people. He released a video mentioning that the deal is completed and from the next Friday, 1st of January 2021 onwards, UK will be completely exit from European Union. From 1st January 2021, people from European Union countries must and should have passport and a visa to enter UK and also should follow the custom rules when importing any products. This is all about Brexit deal. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.